So friends, today we are going to see this instrument known as Dhruva Darshak Pattika, known as pole star instrument. Dhruva Darshak pole star instrument, that is actually simply one slab, a stone slab made by help of red sandstone, and you see it towards north, pointing to the North Pole star by angle of 27 degrees. You see triangle, upper side is about 27 degree up, pointing to the North Pole star. So it's so simple instrument, but very for the information of the all heavenly bodies, very informative. So if you find out North Pole star, you can find out all direction and position of the all stars. So how you can find out pole star? By this, at night time you sit down here. You see this ground, you sit down here on ground, then you keep your eye here, right here. You see my finger, and from here you look up in the sky. And right there you can see 27 degree up, north, your front side, and pole star is there. So see, when you find out North Pole star by this, then you look up in the sky and you try to see Big Dipper. Look your right side or your left side or up. Actually, 7 constellations, Big Dipper and their 2 pointer always points to the North Pole star, and by help of Big Dipper pointers, you can identify this is the North Pole star. And it is very interesting, night time you can find out by help of position of the Big Dippers. So actually Big Dipper position changes in the sky. It is same rotation as the rotation of the Earth, 23 hours, 56 minutes, 4.9 seconds. So night time you see where is Big Dipper and how it changes. So by the changing of the Big Dipper, by location of Big Dipper, we are able to find out time at the night. So after this, by help of graphic, I will show you how is shape of Big Dipper and how we can find out time. So friends, now by help of this graphic, I show you how you can know which one is North Pole star and what is the Big Dipper, and how you can calculate time, how you can find out time in dark, in the night. So daytime, those days they used sundial, but night time by the stars and constellations. So please, you look here, I show you on my graphic, that is the North Pole star front side. See, this is North Star. And when you are in Jaipur, this star is exactly 27 degrees above the horizon to north side. Then you see right now, right side of this pole star, there is a Big Dipper. Actually, this position comes in February month. So now it is November, but you see in February, there is perfect position. Evening time, when sunset down, it is dark, then the North Pole star is here. Then you see location of the Big Dipper. So that is known as Saptarishi Mandal. So upside these are two pointers. Pointers, actually these two stars always points to the North Pole star. So these are two pointers, and by help of these two pointers we can identify this is North Pole star because pointer are pointing to this star. That's why there is North Pole star. So there are 7 stars. These are 2 front side, 2 pointer. Third is down here, third one. There is number 4th here. There is number 5th. There is number 6th, and 7th number, that is the tail. But before last point of this tail, there is 6th number. And it is very interesting. These are 7 constellations. In Hindi we say Saptarishi Mandal. But see 6th number, second before the tail, under this star there is another tiny star. And when you have good eyes and it is good sky, good night, dark, then you can see this star looks like hanging there. And how you can find out time? You suppose sometime 7 p.m. in February, North Star there, and exactly right side, there's a Big Dipper and 2 pointers pointing. So it changes one rotation, same as rotation of the earth, same as the sun changes from east to west and west to again morning time in east. So same position here changes. So suppose 7 p.m. there is location here like this. Then you see how it turns. You see. Now changing the position. Slowly, slowly changes. This is the rotation. But you see, whole night the 2 pointers is still pointing to the North Pole star. The same position. So this is one rotation 24 hours, but night rotation 12 hours, approximately 12 hours we can use it to know the time. So friends, I hope my information is very helpful for you and you enjoying. If you love it, if you like it, so please subscribe my channel Khatri Miracles, KHATRIMIRACLE. Thanks. Namaste.